In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unpublish a website in Webflow so it's no longer accessible online. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and go to the designer. Click the Publish button in the top right corner. In the Publish window, you'll see the domains where your site is currently published. Find the domain you want to remove, then click Unpublish below it. Wait a few moments while Webflow processes the request. Once it's complete, your website will no longer be available on that domain. You can also unpublish your site from the Webflow dashboard. Click the settings icon next to your project, open the publishing options, and click Unpublish for the domain you want to take offline. Keep in mind that unpublishing your website does not delete your project. All of your pages, assets, and settings remain available, and you can publish the site again whenever you're ready. That's how to unpublish a website in Webflow. Thanks for watching.